In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a Kohler shower cartridge. Specifically, we'll be working with the Kohler GP76851, which has now been replaced by two parts, the GP500520 cartridge and the GP76759 pressure balancing unit. If your shower is leaking, hard to turn, or not mixing hot and cold water properly, this repair will solve the problem. Tools and new parts needed. Kohler GP500520 cartridge. Kohler GP76759 pressure balancing unit. A Phillips screwdriver. Adjustable wrench or pliers. Plumber's grease. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First, make sure to turn off the water supply to your shower. Then open the shower handle to release any leftover pressure. Step 2. Remove the handle and trim. Use your screwdriver to remove the screw, holding the handle in place. Pull off the handle and then carefully remove the trim plate so you can access the valve body. Step 3. Remove the old cartridge. Now you'll see the old cartridge and balancing unit inside. Pull them straight out using pliers if needed. Be careful, sometimes they're tight, so work slowly to avoid damaging the valve body. Step 4. Install the new cartridge and balancing unit. Take your new GP500520 cartridge and apply a little plumber's grease to the O-rings. Insert it into the valve body, making sure it's aligned correctly. Next, install the GP76759 pressure balancing unit behind it. Push it firmly into place until it sits flush. Step 5. Reassemble the trim and handle. Put the trim plate back on, then reinstall the handle and secure it with a screw. Step 6. Turn on water and test. Turn the water supply back on. Slowly test the shower handle to check for leaks and confirm that both hot and cold water are working properly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the Kohler GP76851 shower cartridge using the updated GP500520 and GP76759 parts. This simple repair can save you from costly water leaks and get your shower running like new again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY plumbing video.